Namaste and welcome to Holiday for the Heart. I'm Salina and I'm so happy to have you in here. In these 3 weeks, every week has another topic. The first one is about the body, the second about the mind, and the third about the heart. Each day you have 3 exercises, 2 for every day and 1 on top. It changes every day. If you feel you want to dive deeper into one because it's really benefiting you, then make it longer, repeat it, or if it's not at all for you, then just skip it and do another one. There's 1 weekly call with me, and there's 1 weekly miracle exercise. Are you ready to dive deeper? Are you ready to give 100%, even more, to feel it in your whole body, to experience it, to really open your heart to wonders? Then let's start.